10 plus parenthesis 8 divided by 2 times 2. We first of all solve our parenthesis, which is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Then we have 10 plus 4 times 2. 10 plus 4 will give us 14. Then we have 14 times 2. 14 times 2 will give us 28. 28 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction working from your left to your right. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Then we have 10 plus 4 times 2. Here we have an addition and a multiplication. This is where we got it from in the first place because we solve our addition first before multiplication. We are supposed to solve our multiplication first before addition. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8 will give us 18. 18 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.